Alright, so if you're having issues after replacing a transmission harness on, I have a 13 Raptor. So I bought the harness brand new from a dealer, local dealer, and none of the eBay or Chinese stuff. So from a dealer, and after we installed the harness, we started getting Bink 2 oxygen sensor 1. So it was the driver's side front sensor. We kept getting no reading on it. We replaced the oxygen sensors and tried a lot of different things. It's just the truck had a fire damage, so we didn't have that issue to if we had it before or not, why we replaced the harness, because there was a fire damage. So once we replaced the new harness, we kept getting the Bink 2 sensor 1 driver's side oxygen sensor, no readings. Then transmission had an issue with it, and for the longest time we couldn't figure out what. And the last thing obviously you would think is a brand new harness from a dealer would have issues. So we replaced the PCM, had a new PCM programmed, and still same exact issues. So we kind of started going towards the harness. So I got a new harness from a dealer and had an electrician go through it, and basically they figured out that some of the wires were mixed up on the previous harness. So the driver's side Bink 2 sensor 1 oxygen sensors, the wires were mixed up, and this is going to be this plug that goes to the PCM. So one of the sensor wire was in this area when it was supposed to go to here. It's not the best, but it gives you an idea what's going on if you can't figure out if you're having this issue. So just a little breakdown. So good luck. Just probably get a new harness, probably the easiest.